In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install FileZilla. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start by downloading FileZilla installation file, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the FileZilla download page. Here I will click on download FileZilla client, and on this download button that should start the download, and then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template that I will be using to create my Chocolatey package. So I'll click on the package here, then I will click on the button here to download the package, and I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have this NuGet package and also the installation file. I will double click on the NuGet package, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my NuGet package, I will right click on tools, then I will click on add existing file, and here I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the file appeared here. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey install, then on this edit button, and I will go back to my GitHub page. Because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the Chocolatey package. As you can see, it finds the executable inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So I will copy the snippet by clicking on this button right here, then going back to my package and inserting the snippet here. And here we need to provide few values. First we need to provide child path for this command, and here we need to provide the installation file name. And for that I will go back to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, I will select rename, then I will select the full name to include the extension because the extension is mandatory, and I will copy the name. Go back to the package and insert the value here. Then we need to provide package name, and for that I will enter FileZilla. Then for file type we need to enter exe because we are using a .exe file, and now we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation for this program silently. And once again I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switch that I will be using, so I will click on the button right here to copy the value, and I will insert it here. Then we can save the script and go back. And now we need to provide few bits of information about the package. I will click on this edit button. For the ID I will enter FileZilla. For the version number I will enter the version number that I see on the installation file, so it's 3.66.4. Then for the authors you can enter whatever you like, and for the description I will enter FileZilla Choco package. That's good enough. Now let's save the values by clicking on this button, and now we need to save the package, and for that I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my downloads folder, and I will also use my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this Chocolatey package. So let's click on the save button, and that's it. Now we have our package. And now I will try to install this package, and for that I will open my terminal application, and I need to run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install the software. And I will enter choco install. Then we need to provide our package ID that we provided here. So I'll enter FileZilla. And because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s, and then I will enter D and my downloads folder. Basically here we are providing the Chocolatey repository location. And also I will add -y, and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. If I go to my start menu, I can see that FileZilla was recently added. If I click on it, it opens up and it seems to be running just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.